Imagine that you have a string like this and you are being asked to reverse the string. So this is what you are expected to get. You're expected to get 0LLEH. Even though we can achieve the same thing using iteration, we can also do the same using recursion. So how do we go about this using recursion? So let's have a function def. We can call this string reverser. Here we're going to have our parameter, which is going to serve as the string that we want to reverse. So let me give it name. And we're going to start by establishing the base case scenario, or the base case. And for the base case, if the length of the string to be reversed is less than or equal to 1, it should return the string. So we're going to have if len name is less than or equal to 1, then return name. So in this case, if we don't have any string, if it's an empty string, or if it's a string containing one character, it should return that string. Then if this condition is not so, then we're going to use recursion to reverse the string. So we're going to have an else clause here, and for the else clause, we're going to return. Here I'm going to target the last item. So I'm going to be using negative indexing to target the last item. So here I'm going to have name. Here I'm going to put -1. So the next thing I'm going to do is to call on the string reverser function. But this time around, I'm going to be exempting the last character. So here I'm going to have plus string reversal. Here I'm going to have name, and I'm going to do a slicing, and I'm going to be exempting the last character. So I'm going to have here as -1. So let's go ahead and call this function to use it to reverse a string. So here I can have result is equal to string reversal, and we're passing the string that we want to reverse. So I'm going to have hello here, and I'll go ahead and print the result. So this is going to reverse the string. So as you can see, it has reversed the string.